Movement na sa Manila, they are making noise there. Then maraming mga businessmen sa Manila, even other sectors there, nagtatanong, hindi na ba talaga magbabago ang isip mo?
Yan kasi mahirap. May mga bagay na hindi ko lang masabi. Una, well, of course, I said I am not interested. And second is, I do not have any money. So if I do not have any money, I am not interested. Ganon.
Pero ano mensahe mo sa kanila, Mayor?
Marami naman dyan. Marami yung mga tao dyan na may ambisyon na mamili na lang sila. Mar, Binay, maybe si Escudero, si Cayetano. Puro magagaling yan. So they're as equally good as the others. So sila na lang.
May political party na mayor na lumapit sa inyo to be
Wala rin. Di talaga ako pwede maging presidente. Ayaw ko. I'm not interested actually. And besides, I do not have the money to fund the campaign. You would need billions. Mahirap yan.
Mayor, message
As I have said, ako isang tao na hindi talaga humihingi lalo na pera.
Pero despite that, Mayor, no, marami pa rin overwhelming yung support ng Duterte for President. What's your message to your supporters?
Well, maraming salamat po. And it's not my wildest dream as bata pa ko, never really entered my mind that one day I would be even considered as a candidate for the presidency. By that alone, okay na sa akin yan. I would rather have the title, the man who would have been president.
Wow.
Ganun lang. Sana naging presidente.
Pero
Kung ginusto niya. Ayaw ko nga.
Mayor, yun ba mo nga dungagag franchise sa rota aning Katigan, Mayor, para malikayan tong disgrasya nga nahitabo atong Biyernes kay atong tricycle kay tungod sa wala day mga jeep. Wala matog nakadagan nga tricycle nagakuan sa highway ngayon.
Nasa ano yan? Kaya you should be asking that is a question that should be directed to the LFTRB. But ako naman, if that is the reason why, then I would have no objections adding franchises over there in that area.
Mayor, relocation for the fire victims sa Tubo.
And yung sila, if there are takers, but I don't think they would go there. Maybe doon lang yan sila sa ayan dyan, go back. I'm just asking for a buffer from the allowance na Agunte, so that kung may mga aksidente sa container at kung mahulog man, by this side, walang mapinsala na tao. That is an obligation of government to see that that public safety is.
Cash assistance mo na yung na to.
Ang 50, Mayor, makabalik dira katulang mga house owner. Ang 50 ka pamilya.
Ano 50? Ako ng border. Yapon na, nabahay naman na.
Okay. Salamat.